Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Jason from Friday the 13th. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the eye area first. So this is going to be pretty simple, it's just going to be two ovals. There's a hockey mask. Okay, so just two round shapes like that, and then from there we're gonna add in a little bit of detail on the nose. Okay, we just draw a line like that, and then now we can draw in some of the details on the mask. So there's gonna be a little marking right in the middle, so just like an angle, and then we just give it some thickness. Okay, and then from here we can draw in two lines underneath, and this is going to be more the marking on the mask. And then we're just going to come down and just go back up. So come down, just connect that. Okay, so it's very simple, and now we can draw in the rest of the mask. So you can start out on the side, sometimes a little bit easier, just draw like two brackets like this. Alright, and then once you have the bracket, now you can just kind of come in, just kind of close it off. Okay, and then on the top, we're gonna go up, and we're gonna stop right about in the middle. Just leave yourself a little bit of space. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in a little rectangle. This is where the little strap and the buckle. And then we'll draw in a little buckle there. And then for you can see a little bit of the head, so I'm just gonna draw another line, another curve right above the mask. So that'll make it look like he's actually wearing a mask. Okay, and then on the side here, we're gonna add in a little bit more detail. It's got those straps again. So just two rectangles, and then just draw like a little dome shape. Okay, and then let's see, on the mask there's gonna be a lot of little holes, so I'm gonna try to draw them here. I'll just draw two, start off in the middle, and just draw one more on each side, and I'll just go out one more. And on the bottom here, I'll just draw two more. So let's see, on the top, right above this little marking, I'll just draw two, and then I'll go out to each corner, just go out that way. And I'll just draw another one up here. I know there's more, but I can't put too much with these and with these big Sharpies. So right here, I'm just gonna draw one, just draw like three little dots. So you can start out with one and then just draw two more. Okay, so that's gonna be the mask, and it's definitely pretty cool looking. So let's move on down to his neck. So we just gotta go straight down. And then here's the collar, so we're just gonna pinch it into the center. And then from here, we're gonna go out. I'm drawing the shirt collar now. And then we're gonna go, just flare it out. And then we're gonna curve it back in. And then we're gonna draw like a little line here because there's a fold on the collar. Okay, and so on this side, I'm gonna start in the middle here. Okay. And then flare it out, curve it, and then again line for the collar. And I didn't go all the way down because I want to kind of make it a little bit different, right, so that it looks a little bit better. And then from here, let's add in some of the kind of like these clumps on his skin, right, on his neck. Okay, so just draw a few of these lines. So it looks like sagging flesh. Alright, so now let's move on to the body. And so it's just gonna be a shirt from the corner here. We're just gonna go out. And then I'm gonna come in. And this is gonna be kind of straight. And this is gonna be going all the way to his waist. Okay, and then from here, come back up here a little bit. Just curve. So this is all part of his shirt, and it's kind of bunched up a little bit. And then draw another little curve like this, and I'll go straight down. And on this one, maybe kind of the same thing. Okay, so from here, now we can draw in the opening of the shirt. So from the middle here, I'll curve it in a little bit and just kind of come down and just kind of have it go out this way a little bit more. Okay, so once we reach the end here, we'll just come back and connect to this side. And then on this side, I'm just gonna come in and have it just kind of go up right around there. So I'm trying to make the shirt a little bit more interesting. Okay, and then let's see, we'll add in a button here, one more here, and I'll just one more. And let's see, from here, let's draw in, it's got a pocket here, so I'm just gonna draw that and kind of round it off on the bottom a little bit. And I'm just gonna draw like a little line for the flap. All right, and then on the other side, it's gonna be another pocket. And this one doesn't have the flap. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight down, curve, and it's gonna be a button here. Okay, so that's gonna be his shirt. Let's move on to his arm. And his arm's gonna be simple because it's just gonna be, you know, his shirt. So this is just gonna come in, just kind of wiggle a little bit. Okay, and then here's the armpit coming down, and again, I'm just gonna wiggle a little bit, give it some folds. All right, and then here, I'm just gonna come down. Next to the cuff, I'm gonna close it off. And then now I can add in a little line here for his shirt. And then for his hand, that's just gonna be his thumb, line across. Here's the back of the hand. And then now the fingers. So I'm gonna start here, just kind of curve it down, curve it back up. And then I'm gonna draw a line here, just curve it in. So the finger's gonna show up on this side here. And then one more, I'll just draw one more in the back here. So I'll just close that off right there. Okay, so we'll keep it simple. So that's gonna be his arm, and let's move on to the other one. So the other one, he's gonna be holding his machete. So this is gonna come down. Here's the armpit. Come down, and again, I'm gonna give it a little bit of wrinkles on the side. And then now we can go out, just go in, come out, go in, close it. And then the shirt, cuff. And now for his hand, it's gonna be bent this way. Okay, because he's holding the knife. So that's his thumb. Here's the palm, and then I'm gonna draw 4 more fingers. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then from here, from the palm area here, I'm just gonna go back. Here's the handle, and just a little bit of detail at the end. And I'll close off any area I have here. And now for the blade itself, so I'm just gonna continue this curve, just gonna have it flare out slightly. Same thing here, come out this way and give this a little bit wider blade area. All right, and let's see, we're drawing a line there because there's probably some wrappings there. All right, so let's move on to his legs. So he's just wearing pants, so it's a little bit easier. In the middle here, come down. And then here, I'm just gonna continue this line, go out, come in. Again, I'm gonna give it a little bit of wrinkle, a little bit of fold, come down. This is gonna be his knee area when we can draw in a little bit of detail there for the knee. Okay, and then we're gonna draw on the other side, so we're gonna come down. Okay, so the knee's right there. So I'm gonna come down again, pinch in, and a little bit detail. Okay, so the bottom is a little bit easier here, so we're just gonna come out slightly, and we're gonna pinch it in and just kind of give it some waviness coming all the way down. And I'm gonna close it off with a wide curve. And here, the shoes, we're just gonna draw the dome shape. Close it off. So, all right, so it's pretty simple on this one. So we're gonna go out, pinch it in slightly, and just kind of wiggle itself down, wide curve, continue the dome shape, close it off, a little bit of so. And that is it for this Jason drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and share the video if you can, and I will see you next time.